Hey guys, Jimmy Vegas here, and we have a warning already. Flashing lights, so I should probably say that is a warning. I assume. I haven't actually played it yet. It's the first time. So yeah, it's an indie game made in Unity called Jimbobs Park of Mischief. How mischievous it'll be, I don't know, but I will leave a link in the description below if you want to try and see how much mischief there is. It says this is an original horror game made by Curly Games and Partum Game Tutorials. Yes, the texture were made from Microsoft Paint. Amazing, isn't it? Actually, yeah. Okay, I'm just going to get into it. Cannot continue saved game after returning to the main menu. Must restart game to continue. Don't know why it says that. Okay, bugs, glitches. Alright, fair enough. Let's just get into it. New game. Jimmy. Let's do this. Loading. 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 Still loading. Hello? Wake up, game. Oh, here we go. Press F to use flashlight. WAS to move. Flashlight is already on. MS Paint textures. Really good, actually. It's unique. I feel it's kind of unique. Okay. Party. Oh. Hey? Press E to pick up objects, R to drop them. Can I pick up anything? I can. Huh? But where are they all? Ooh. What happened? Damn it. Alright, let's carry on. Oh, there we go. Flashlight back on. E. Whoa, oh. It just disappeared on me. Okay. What? Why does the flashlight keep going off? What? I don't get it. Oh, hang on. What's that in the top right? That does appear to be my flashlight. Okay, fair enough.
Well, things
that kind of feels like Borderlands in a weird kind of way.
But you know what bothers me the most? Bloody kids.
Okay, I'm going to keep going. Can I jump? I can jump. What on earth? That is really random. Really random. Okay. Oh. Okay, I can do... What a weird game. Oh, hang on. Is that where... L shift to run? Okay. I knew that anyway, but okay. This is an intriguing design, I have to say. Oh, door open, yeah. Whoa. Why did you leave? I didn't! Whoa, this is loud. What's that? Okay, sure. Oh, hang on, I've got a thirst meter. I've just realised at the top. Health, hunger, thirst. Okay. I did see water back here. Oh, God. I mean, how can one person be so thirsty? I'm going to put the flashlight back on. Always confuses me, these games. You know, someone's here for just a couple of minutes. How can they get so thirsty and hungry? It's like, can you not go that long without eating? Okay. There's thirst. I'm guessing it's one of them. If health and thirst and hunger goes down, can't go through there, then we're gonna start dying, just like in real life. Oops, stamina's run out. Okay, still going. Oh, it's flashlight again. Let's turn it off. Let's keep it off for now. What's this say? He sees doesn't have two S's, but okay. Everywhere. Okay, let's have a drink. Take something to eat. Okay. What's this say? Welcome to Jimbob's Playhouse Park. Feel free to do anything. Right. I like that. You can do that. Ooh, gruesome. Is that Jimbob? That must be Jimbob. Maybe. I don't know. Well, that's Oscar. Clearly. Door. Flashlight on. Ooh, food. Let's eat. He sees everywhere. Okay. Oh, I wasn't expecting that. I should have been expecting that, but I wasn't. Okay, so now I know the game's capable of something like that. I'm not going to fall for the same trick twice. Door. Forget what you see. Sure. Oh yeah. Damn flashlight. Oh. I said I wasn't going to fall for the same trick twice. Kinda did. Alright, let's carry on. Flashlight on. Oh! Ah! Stop it! Stop it, game. Stop it. Ready? Okay. Oh. Damn this flashlight. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, what's going on? Oh. Now what? Ooh, water. Thirsty. There we go. Now I'm not thirsty. Ooh, there's more stuff this way. Oh, have I gone round in a circle? Oh, there's food. See what this is? What a crazy party, isn't it? Could you imagine going to a party like this? What? Is this the end? Ooh, it's an elevator. A door and food, water. Oh, what a great party this is. Oh, now this is the question. Do I go up there or can I go through the door? Door blocked. Okay, upstairs it is. Why is that? Okay. Food. Yep. Water. Yep. Jump. Jump. Ooh. Oh! Ooh. Food. More stuff dripping from the walls, ceiling, whatever. Don't get what the deal with the party hats is, honestly. What's this? Oh, big door to open. Gonna keep going this way. What a weird game this is. It's really uniquely designed, I've got to say. I really like the design. Oh, we can hit stuff now. Yeah. Looks like we're getting hungry again. Left click on mouse to attack. Okay. Attack what? Ooh, food. Oh. Food. Exit. Okay, let's leave. Can we leave? We can't leave. What is going on? What? What? Oh, hello. Hello. What are you? Oh, oh. That's just insulting. Great job, mate. Game over. Alright. That was weird. I've got to be honest. I know there's got to be more after that. Honestly, guys, I would recommend playing this. I think you should give it a go. That's really intriguing. It's weirdly intriguing. Honestly. I'm going to have another go now myself. But like I say, I'll leave a link to this in the description below for you to have a go. Give a thumbs up if you liked it. Thumbs down if you didn't, but please tell me in the comments why you didn't like it. That was Jimbob's Park of Mischief. I've been Jimmy Vegas. Guys, thank you very much for watching.